ChatGPT and AI can now take the user's entered natural language problem description and generate program code to solve the problem. The question is, as ChatGPT and AI improves, in the future, will there still be a need for people to code in Python or code in general? I'm going to quickly give you my view on as to whether it's still worth learning to code by considering 6 points. Point 1. Currently, for reasonably complicated problems, code generated by ChatGPT often needs to be tweaked or amended. But let's assume in the future, AI can generate perfect code for your problem description. We move on to point 2. Most complex software applications need to integrate to databases, streams of data, REST calls, and apply logic and filtering, as well as possibly calling machine learning models and interacting with UX. So there'll be a need for programmers to integrate all the components of a software application. Now assume in the future that AI can even solve this problem. So from a problem description, it can generate a fully integrated programming code and solution. We need to consider point 3. Even with a fully AI-generated code and solution, will still need to be tested, supported, and maintained by programmers. But if AI continues to improve even further into the future, maybe AI will be able to build, support, maintain, and test them as well. But there'll still be loads of old legacy software from the past that programmers will need to support and enhance. But let's move to point 5. Now assume that AI can not only generate new systems, maintain and support and test them, but it can also reverse engineer old legacy systems, which are then able to improve, maintain and support. Will there actually still be a need of programmers? For point 5, if there still be a need for programmers to research and develop new AI algorithms. However, finally, let's assume that AI can not only build and maintain new systems, reverse engineer old systems, but can also generate new AI algorithms. So there's literally no need for humans to be coding. I would still argue for point 6, even if there's no purpose for a human to program, it still helps them build mental stamina and agility to problem solve and to be able to break down complex problems into simpler problems, as well as simply having fun.